So my Samsung Galaxy S tabs is part of my everyday workflow, whether or not it's for business or play, but mainly for business. When I go out of town, or maybe if I'm sitting at a Starbucks, I never bring a laptop with me. I always bring my Tab S7 Plus. So for the past year, the Tab S7 Plus has been my ultimate workhorse for getting a lot of work done. Well, sometimes you cannot pass on a deal, especially if it's a good deal. You know what? It's holiday season, and now it's the best time to save a bunch of money. It's called savings. Yes, so I went on Samsung website and I saw the Cyber Monday and the Black Friday sales, and I saw the Tab S8 Plus on sale. Again, it's called savings. So what I did was I took my Galaxy Tab S7 Plus, traded it in, and I had some Samsung credits. You know what? I got the Tab S8 Plus for free. And you know what? You can't pass up on free. Yes, you cannot pass on free. So let's unbox it and see what it's all about. And I'm gonna give you my thoughts about it. Let's have some fun. Sit back and relax and get your popcorn ready and follow me on this journey. Let's go. What's up, guys? This is Eric back with another video. So let me go to the unbox this for the first time of the Galaxy Tab S8 Plus. It was relatively easy. After I went on Samsung website, I did an in-store pickup for Best Buy, and it was ready in 30 minutes. So after I did all the trade-in and the credits that I received from Samsung, I did it for store pickup, and I went and got my Tab S8 Plus. So let's unbox it. As you can see, the box is slim, very slim. All right, so taking it out of the box, as you can see, the tab itself, you get the S Pen, and you get the books and stuff, right? And it look like the only thing you get is a USB Type-C and no charging brick in the box. You know what? And we already know how that works, right? No charging brick in the box when you're buying a Tab S8. All right. Let's go on and peel the plastic off. Let's see what this is all about. There we go. Take this off here. Woo. I'm always excited for new tech, y'all. Y'all just don't know. All right. Woo. All right. Look at that. Beautiful. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. My Tab S7, right, that I've been using for about a year. Let me take this out of the thing. So let's compare it. All right, to the Tab S7. And as you know, as you can see, it's definitely been used. All right, so it's the same size. Now the buttons on the Tab S8 Plus is flush versus the raised buttons here on the Tab S7. We're looking at the back. Looking at the back here. Back look the same. Nothing new there. Besides the color, sentimental differences here with the color, right? I got the same color on both. Want y'all to see the color. And at the bottom, you got your pogo pins. And just so you know that the Tab S8 Plus, right? The Tab S8 Plus can use, all right, the Tab S8 Plus can use the same case. It's one of the reasons why. Use the same case. So as we look at the device, let's talk about the tech specs. The Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 Plus has a huge 12.4 inch Super AMOLED 120 Hertz display. It has the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 processor with 8 gigs of RAM. I got 128 gigs of internal storage, which I have the base model here. We got SD card support. Now, as far as battery, this tab has a 10,090 milliamp battery. Now, as far as the cameras, there are the 13 megapixel camera and a 6 megapixel camera on the rear. Now, in the front, there's a new 12 megapixel camera. Now, there are the usual suspects here, which is Wi-Fi 6E, Bluetooth 5.2. We have the S Pen with 2.8 milliseconds of latency here. We have Face Unlock, on-screen fingerprint scanner, and much more. So there's a lot of updates here and a lot of upgrades here coming from the Tab S7 Plus. All right, guys, so here it is. This is the front-facing camera, the new 12 megapixel camera on the Galaxy Tab S8. Now look at the quality here. You let me know down in the comments, how do you like the quality? Now, it's a ultra wide angle lens. I would kind of have to squeeze in so I won't get, my green screen over here and the other part here. I mean, it's an ultra wide screen here. So this is the audio and the video coming from the Tab S8 Plus. Looking at the viewfinder, it looks really good, but you be the judge for yourself. Let me know down in the comments below how you like it. Let's talk about some key updates from the Tab S7 Plus to the Tab S7 Plus, right? Is the processor. Now the Tab S7 Plus had the Snapdragon 865 Plus processor, and I have the 8 gigs of RAM. Now the base model is 6 gigs of RAM. I have the 8 gig of RAM model here. So you're going from the 865 Plus to the 8 Gen 1 processor on the Tab S8 Plus, which is a 2-generation upgrade in processors and processing power. So you need to know that. Also, the S Pen. If you use the S Pen, there's going to be less latency, going from 9 milliseconds on the Tab S7 Plus to 2.8 milliseconds on the Tab S8 Plus. Also, the cameras. In the cameras, you get the 6 megapixel ultra wide on the Tab S8 Plus, and in the front, you get the 12 megapixel camera, which that is a bump from the Tab S7 Plus. And lastly, let's talk about support. As you know, the Tab S7 Plus been out for about 1.5 years, and Samsung promised only 3 years of software updates, which we already won in with the Tab S7 Plus. So with the Tab S8 Plus, Samsung promised 4 years of support. One of the reasons why I got the Tab S8 Plus, because it's the same size as the Tab S7 Plus, so I can use my keyboard in case keyboard that works the same on both. So it was no reason for me to buy new accessories. Plus the 12.4 inch is the perfect size for me. If I want a larger monitor, I could connect Samsung DeX to a larger monitor. I could do it wirelessly or wired if I need a bigger monitor. So that's no issues when it comes down to a bigger screen on the Tab S8 Plus. So here it is. The Tab S8 Plus is here. I have no regrets trading in my old Tab S7 Plus with some Samsung credits to get the Tab S8 Plus for free. It's kind of not free because you got to trade in your old tablet. Plus, I had some credits. So it's not free, but I mean, look, it's free because I had to put any money down. You know what? So I have no regrets here. I think it's a very good move. Plus, it's the holiday season. They got very good deals. I will leave a lot of links down in the description below if you want to check it out. But if you want to see videos on the Tab S7 Plus and the Tab S8 Plus, I'll put a playlist together. Click the video right here. Click this video right here, and I got a playlist of up-and-coming videos that I will do on the Tab S8 Plus coming very soon. This is Eric. See you guys on the next video. Peace.